In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the top left corner, over here. Then, before creating your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Settings in the pop-up and adjust all of those however you wish to. When you're ready, go back. And to create your alarm, select this button with a plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. If you wish to use this alarm just once, you can click on this switcher next to delete after goes off to enable it. If you wish to use it repeatedly, click on Repeat and tap on the best option for you: once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so when I click, I can set up days of the week and save them by hitting OK. Now click on Ringtone section. Pick one of those by tapping on the best one or select all ringtones. Now you can click on Choose Local Ringtone. Click on Allow and pick one of those sound sources, like music. Then tap on Allow again. Pick any song from your device and select OK at the top right corner to set it up. You can also click on Pre-installed ringtones instead. And click on Apply next to the best one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. When you finished, go back, tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to switch it off or on. Click on Label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then tap on OK. Finally, to save your alarm, tap on the check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, tap on the blue switcher next to it and click on one of those options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same, now gray switcher. In order to edit your alarm, click on it, choose Additional Settings and change wherever you wish to. Then click on the check mark at the top right corner. Lastly, in order to get rid of it, you can hold it, click on Delete at the bottom, and as you can see, now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!